Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. After 3-4 days gap, I am coming with other topic: way to success. It's success mantra to everyone. We have many mantras, right? Rishis has given many. Rishis have given many mantras to us. Hands. We perform in and worship at same time. Worship. Work is worship. So when you worship at the same time, you feel that work is worship. So when you feel that work is worship, so that is the real thing. You like your duty, and as you know that duty first, beauty next. As Robert Frost said that duty first, beauty next. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. Okay, this is all one matter. I'm coming with today eyes. In the last right video, we learnt what are the H, how that H's are really giving us scope to learn, scope to become success. Success comes only when you have some skills, the skills which we are learning here. So that the skills along with H and all, something like, let us see 4 eyes today. Of course, some of you might have imagined what actually the video is going to give you, right? The first eye is intelligence. Intelligence is important. Intelligence is different, wisdom is different, knowledge is different. All people who have the knowledge, they may not have wisdom. All people who have that wisdom, they may not be intelligent. And the combination of all together, the people are called intellectuals. So intellectual personalities are that here the combination of these: wisdom, intelligence, at same time knowledge. So apply one to other. When you apply one to other, that's called intellectualness, at same time intelligence. So one has to improve the intelligence first of all. When you go on developing your intelligence, you reach to the path of success. Definitely it happens. So that the first one is intelligence. The second one is intuition, right? Intuition. What intuition is? Understanding the things properly. Whatever it is, your boss may say something else, some other people may something else, right? Understanding everything with intuition, that here. So internally, what you understand with the support of your intelligence, that takes you to the success path. So that intuition is supporting intelligence, intelligence is supporting intuition, so that you reach the success path. Success path is that when these two combinations are there. So only by knowledge, by education qualification, not possible to get today. So the olden days are over. Those days are completely over. So today we have to come with the right, very good pack. What these are the packs, what we say, that 6-pack, something like. So that is for the personality. At the same time, mental personality is important. For that, intuition, understanding is one thing. We have to understand the things properly, whatever it is. It is social situation, it may be your boss, or it may be home affairs, whatever it is. Just you think that and understand it properly. Definitely you are going to reach the success very soon. So that success has no definition, but every day we have to go for that. So there is no stop for success. As your Mahesh Babu said that here, success has only comma, there is no full stop for it. So after one after the other, definitely people would like to achieve the things. So here too we understand that here, understanding the things properly takes you to the success path. And at the same time, intention. Intention is important. You must have some intention to do it. So desire, want, okay, desire, want, the combination, that here intention. You must have that intention in you. When there is no intention in you, you can't reach the places. That's what intention is very important. Internally, what you feel about, internally what you have in you, yes, you have to bring it out and explore something new. So that that is very important. That's called intention of the person. So whenever the person has some intention, intentionally he does something or she does something else, that person is going to get success. So success comes through that intention also. At same time, the last I is intensity. Intensity is that here seriousness. So after, of course, all three eyes are there. All three eyes you learned it. But when you have that intensity, means here seriousness, earnest, earnest, not honest here, earnest, EARNEST, earnest personalities. Whenever the person is very earnest about anything, right? So that definitely you are going to. So that your intensity also is very important for this, right? Above eyes. So that one is intelligence, the other one is intuition, the other one is right intention, and then the last one is intensity. So develop that seriousness, develop that intensity to work. Don't give up any place. When you give up the things at one place, that is over. So it's common. You if you see any personalities, right, in any fields, definitely the problems and hurdles are there. Everybody knows it, but accepting is very important. Accept that problems, accept the things properly, accept them, and if those same problems occur in your life also, accept them because it is common to the great people having problems. So that intensity is very important. So that whenever you have that seriousness, definitely you are going to reach success. That's what I hope you understand the intention of these four eyes, and you apply in your life and definitely get success. Thank you very much, and subscribe my channel, and like it, share it. At same time, click the bell button for regular notifications. So if any suggestions from your side for developing the channel, please welcome. My number is there on Facebook, right? Please go through it and find it out. If any suggestions from my student side or any other viewers also, please give it to develop further. And what kind of actually topics you would like to listen from me, I am ready to give you any kind of videos. If you suggest me, I am ready to give you the kind of videos for you. So I have right bulk of knowledge about anything, right? Most of actually, it may be personal development, it may be career oriented, it may be counseling of psychological, it may be anything. I'm ready to give that kind of stuff to you. Definitely, if you really suggest that what kind of videos you would like to get from me, please suggest it and call it. If you want to see my phone number, it is there on my Facebook account. Please find it out and call me or and WhatsApp me. Otherwise, you can comment on this video also. So definitely I'll come with very good videos for you, betterment of any one of them, because all cannot be the same. So all were not born with intelligence, all were not born with silver spoon, all were not born with financially sound. So definitely sometimes we can change the things, because great speakers and great people were made, they were not born, right? They were made only. So that think that definitely the people who feel that he are dejected or rejected by the people, definitely you'll get success through some tips. Please do watch my videos continuously and find out anything difficult. Definitely you'll get solution from my videos. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.